Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by importing both your keyed clip and the background into Premiere Pro, and then create a sequence that matches your green screen footage. Place the green screen layer above the background on the timeline so chroma keying affects the upper layer. Once done, trim and position your clips where you want them. Make sure the background fills the frame. You should also enable the program monitor quality to full and toggle safe margins, briefly to confirm composition before moving to effects. You now apply Ultra Key from the Effects panel to the green screen clip and sample the green using the eyedropper to remove the bulk of the color. Once sampled, switch to matte generation and tweak transparency and tolerance to reveal the background cleanly. This controls how much of the green becomes transparent. After that, refine edges with matte cleanup, choke to tighten, soften to smooth. Then use spill suppression to eliminate green fringe and add subtle color correction to match foreground to background light. Finish by color grading both layers so they share temperature and exposure. You want a cohesive composite, so use Lumetri color on adjustment layers if needed. If stray green remains, draw a garbage mat around the subject or use a mask to limit the keyed area, then render the sequence for real-time playback. If you see edge flicker or noise, make sure the source isn't heavily compressed. Reshoot if possible. Otherwise, reduce key tolerance. Add a tiny blur or grain, and reapply spill suppression to stabilize edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.